Hello, fellow diamond painting addicts, and welcome back to Diamond Painting Anonymous. I'm Daphne, and I'm here today to share with you some goodies that I found from the folks over at FGNormal. I have a couple of, I have an off-the-canvas item, a kit, and then a tool. So let me just jump in. I'm going to move these aside, and I've got this set of trays. So I saw these, and I was really intrigued. You guys know I'm always looking for ways to diamond paint faster. And this little set of trays seemed like maybe it would be a good idea. Now I've seen other people using them on like Instagram and stuff, so I was curious. So they've got little spouts that you can close. There's like a little knob there that puts it in place so your drills don't spill. So you've got this big tray, and then you've got all of these little trays that fit inside of it. So there's 6 small trays, and it comes with a brush and a little kind of foldable spoon. So if you need to scoop or whatever, I very rarely use these or the brush, but they're there if you need them. And then all of these small kits have this little opening too, so that you can pour your drills back into your containers without spilling them. These actually are small enough for me that I probably would just pour these, back into my containers from the tray. But however you want to do it, it does have the spouts on all of them if you want to do it. And then what I've seen people do is, because these all fit in here, is just pour in, your 6 different colors, keep them in this one tray to keep it all kind of contained, and then you can just diamond paint from here. Especially for like special drill kits where you don't have very many different kinds of drills or whatever, or rhinestones. I think this would be good for that. And yeah, again, just a way to have more drills out in front of you so that you can complete things faster. And this set of trays was $6.27. Okay, then the other thing that I have to show you that is not a kit is an off-the-canvas item. And I've also seen a couple of people do these, but I haven't done one yet. And so it's a tumbler, you guys. It's a cup, a mug, an insulated mug. And what you do is it's an insert. So does it have instructions on here anywhere? They're covered up by the thing. So you diamond paint the liner, and I picked this fun geometric one. So you just diamond paint this with your drills, and then when it's done, you fold it up and then insert it into your cup, put the liner back in, and then you've got an insulated mug. And they have a whole bunch of different designs, but I just like this geometric one. I thought it was fun. And you can see here there's a bit of an overlap where your design is going to overlap, so you can make it look like that when you put it in there. It's not going to match up perfectly, but that's okay. And then, yeah, so you just peel it off and then diamond paint, and we've got our drills here. So let me put everything back together a little bit, and then we'll look at the drills. Okay, so, ooh, ABs, how fun. All right, so I've got 2 bags of the black, which will go on there, and then I've got, and those are ABs, and then I've got a red AB, and then I've got an orange, a peach, and a blue. So I didn't realize they were going to be ABs in there. That's actually very cool. So I will have some ABs, and my little mug will be nice and sparkly, and I can put my cold tea or my hot tea in it. So this was $13.81. So let me put the drills away, put the pieces back, and I will be right back. Hey guys, editing me here, and I actually finished the mug. So I just wanted to show you what it looks like. And I will say it actually took me quite a bit more time than I thought. It took me almost 2 hours. Now, it is kind of a full drill thing, so that wasn't unexpected. And I did end up single placing everything rather than multi-placing anything, just because I wanted my drills to be, because of the geometric shape, I wanted them to be as inline as I could get them. They're still not perfect, as you can see, but it worked. And then you just roll up the insert, stick it in there, screw that part back on, put back on the lid, and you've got a mug. Now, I did say for hot and cold beverages, I actually don't know how that would work. Obviously, you want to hand wash this, not put it in the dishwasher. Not sure how it would work with hot beverages, if that would somehow affect the glue. So I probably will just keep this for cold beverages. But either way, I now have a diamond painted mug, and I'm happy. All right, back to the rest of the video. Oh, I forgot to mention toolkit, boat, plate of wax, pink pin. And it does have baggies, so if you want to put your drills in baggies before you do it, you can do that. All right, so there's the mug. And then the last thing I have to show you is this cute little kit. So let me get this open. It's got an S symbol for the background. We'll discuss that in a moment. Oh, the canvas is nice and soft, so it rolls up very easily. That's nice. All right, so we've got our drills here. You can see it's a round drill kit. Standard toolkit, boat, plate of wax, pink pen. And let's look at the canvas. So this is a 30 by 40. Let me move the mug out of the way here. This is a 30 by 40, and it's just this really pretty kind of watercolor of different kinds of cactus. Now, it has an S symbol for the background, which is white. Not thrilled about that. I prefer when they use the I symbol, just because so if I'm not perfect with my placement, it doesn't look terrible. We have 20 colors. We do have a schematic on both sides, and it does have the DMC codes, so that's awesome. And then it is nice and sticky where it needs to be, so you're going to have a whole lot of multi-placing for the background. And then you've got quite a bit of confetti for all the different greens and yellows and maybe some oranges that are going to be here in the cactus themselves. All right, so let's look at the drills. No, let's measure first. I keep forgetting to measure things. Okay, it is 25, sold as a 30 by 40, so it's 25, I'm gonna guess by 35, but let me measure here. Yep, 25 by 35. Again, we've got 20 colors. I'm trying to look here and see if there's any symbols that I think are gonna give me issues. I don't see anything that looks like it's gonna be, you know, the 5s and the S's. The 5s have a green background, the S's have a white, so it doesn't look like there's gonna be any confusion there. Q's have kind of a greenish background. Yeah, I don't see anything that I think is gonna give me an issue, so that'll be good. Now, let's look at the drills. So, as expected, there's a lot of white. We've got 3 bags of white, and then, 4 bags of white. There's one attached there. And then let's see what else we've got. So lots of yellows and greens. So there's a very pale yellow, kind of a sage green, an olive green, kind of a bright yellow, is a very dark brown. And then we've got more shades of green. So again, another kind of sage green, a dark green, a spring green, or a light kind of mint green, a regular green, and then a spring green, a very pale kind of greenish yellow, a mint green, a hunter green. How many shades of green can we have? There's like a sea green, turquoise green. There's a baby blue, a slate blue, kind of another greenish yellow, a pale yellow, and kind of an orangish. And then again, our 4 bags of white for the background. And this kit was $5.01. So there we go. We've got our cactus with all the pretty greens. We've got our kind of geometric Southwest mug here that with the insert that we can diamond paint. And then we've got our lovely set of trays. And actually this mug would be a really good thing to use these trays for, because I think there's only like 5 or 6 colors, so definitely would work with those trays. I will, as always guys, put links in the description box down below to all of these items so that you can check them out for yourself. Thanks so much for sticking around till the end of the video. Before you leave, don't forget to do all the things. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and hit that bell notification icon so that you can be informed of future uploads. And as always guys, thanks so much for watching.